So the difference between yoga relaxation and sleep is one very simple thing. Awareness is you stay awake, you stay present. So you're observing your body as it begins to rest, then you're observing your body as it begins to go deeper, and then you're observing your body as it falls asleep. And then the same at an emotional, energetic level, at a mental level, is you're observing the process that your mind goes through as it goes into its deep state of rest. So you're passing into the subconscious mind and you're passing into the unconscious mind, but you're doing it with awareness. So for the purposes of the foundation course, I'll take you through falling asleep in your body, but staying awake. And it's called being connected, is you're finding your place of rest. So ultimately, the success for you on this is that you find your inner place of rest and that you're resting into it. If you got that, I would be delighted. I would feel that you've succeeded. That's my goal for you in this.